Hello everybody, this is Swails. You're on tswails.com and this is our weather briefing for Thursday night. And some active weather around the Midwest today. We're certainly anticipating that. A lot of warm, humid air around, and thunderstorms fired up last night and then again during the day today. And those have produced some pretty heavy rains in some parts of the Midwest, something we'll talk more about in just a minute. You can actually see how it's all evolved here on the radar. This afternoon and evening storms got going around 3-4 o'clock, and here they are on the radar, and you can see that in spots there was some pretty strong cells. They moved off to the northeast, and now it's pushing 10:30 at night, and most of the storms have departed my viewing area. However, they did produce some strong storms and severe weather. We had 2 reports of tornadoes today up in the northeastern corner of Iowa around Ocean. Some very minor damage from what I understand. About 21 wind reports today, and also 3 reports of hail. So 26 severe weather reports, which actually is a pretty big day for the month of September. But things are going to calm down now as the whole system pulls away. And that's a good thing, because you can see on the Doppler estimates of rainfall, where we got these colors in here, the magentas or whatever they are, just northwest of Dubuque, between there and Decorah. Probably some 6-inch rain totals in there, and that goes back of over 48 hours. So multiple rounds of thunderstorms really piling up the rain, but most of it, at least the really extensive stuff, has been near and north of Highway 20, my far northern counties. So as we say, things are going to start improving now, and the reason why is our upper air pattern. Here's the disturbance that caused the thunderstorms, and you'll notice that's starting to move away, and as it heads up into Canada, behind it we got a quick shot of cooler air, and then early next week, look at the jet again, starts to buckle, and a big ridge will form over the middle of the nation, and that means more summery conditions for a large portion of next week. So while we'll get a short break here Friday, Saturday, the heat and humidity will be back with us next week. And these are the temperature departures here, and you can see this is today, certainly well above normal, but watch these colors out here which denote the cooler air, and that comes surging on to the southeast, and that settles in for about 2 days. And then as the ridge builds, look at the temperatures really starting to heat up. We've got some readings here that are going to be way above normal, especially up there in Canada and the north central United States. Could be as much as 15 to 20 degrees above the seasonal norms. So some late season heat and humidity most definitely back in the forecast for us next week. This is the 7-day temperature departures, and this starts on Sunday and goes all the way out then through next Saturday. So for that 7-day period, the temperature is expected to average about 10 degrees above normal in our part of the country here, and that's going to mean those highs will be well up into the 80s. And as far as rain goes, not seeing a whole lot of that. The next opportunity looks to be Saturday night as the warm, humid air returns. Could be some scattered showers and storms, but the models really not indicating a great deal of precipitation. So we may see a few storms around then, sometime Saturday night, early Sunday, but after that, things looking pretty dry early next week as the temperatures turn nice and toasty once again. But one thing's for sure, Friday's going to be a real fine day around the Midwest. Highs will stay in the 70s, and with some sunshine, some very fine weather to start out the weekend. Hope you have a good one, and thanks for checking out tswails.com.